Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love.
Hi everything! Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, malalaman natin kung sino ang winner ng contact lens. Pero kailangan mo lang tapusin ang video na to para malaman mo kung sino ang nanalo. And today, sa video natin, I'm going to show you how to do the optical illusion mask makeup. So keep watching.
In my foundation, I chose a lighter shade para ma-emphasize ko yung mask na humihiwalay siya sa color ng original na skin ko. Fast forward to eyebrows. And by the way, I'm using colorful Morphe eyeshadow palette. So I'm just going to make a random look. As you can see, I'm making a purplish eyeshadow, purplish and blue smoky eyeshadow. In doing your mask illusion makeup, you can make any look you like, kahit ano pa yan, Korean look, glam look, anything. Kasi hindi naman yun importante. Ang importante dito is yung makagawa tayo ng effect or illusion that you are wearing a mask. So you can do any look that you like. So here's what I did. Medyo matinding blending ang kailangan nito kasi pag hindi ko binlend, magmumukha akong aswang. And so doing the eyeliner. Alam ko guys, mukhang aswang na itong ginagawa ko, pero mamaya magiging okay din to. So you can still do your nose contour, face contour. It's still a full makeup. Syempre, contour is life. Huwag nang kakalimutan ng highlight, pati ang lipstick. So I'm very sorry guys kasi na-skip ko yung part kung saan ako nag-outline ng mask. Just make an outline of a mask on your face. Make sure to make a shadow effect on your forehead and on your chin and on your jaw to make it more realistic. I'm using a black eyeshadow to emphasize these shadow parts. To make it more realistic, I draw a string para kunyari suot-suot ko siya. So just keep on doing the shadows. Just keep on doing the shadows to make it more realistic. And then that's it. Here's our mask makeup look. Remember, you can do any kind of makeup that you like. Ang importante is yung makagawa tayo ng mask look effect. So here's the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to click subscribe. And next will be the announcement of the winner of Contact